Today I do have a contact lens review. If you guys think that you have seen this intro, you probably have. I'm going to use this for the rest of my contact review videos. Obviously they will be different contacts. Today I have a review for Pinky Paradise. This is their brown lens. It did come in like a little jar and both of them came separate. I really like them. They're super comfortable. These are the brown ones like I mentioned. I will leave the name of them down below. I like these because they make your eyes look bigger, and I did used to have contacts that did these. It was just a really subtle black outer rim, and I did like that it gave me that effect, but I don't find that it irritates my eyes or anything. I do have astigmatism and I do have a corrective vision, so with that being said, it is very difficult for me to find lenses that are comfortable for my eyes. These are not toric lenses, but they feel so nice and so comfortable. I do have another pair that aren't so comfortable. It's still by Pinky Paradise and they are one of my favorites, but I just kind of put up with them throughout the day because of that. So I'm going to go ahead and just put these in my eyes. They do come in these little contact solution containers. So I'm going to take out this one. So this is what the lens looks like, just brown. I don't want to put them out of the solution too long. So you can see my regular eye and then the eye with the contacts. I like that it makes my eyes look a lot bigger, and it just, I don't know, I just like the look of them more. This look really gives you like that kind of innocent look, and I just feel like my makeup looks look better when I have bigger eyes. And being that I don't want to like Facetune or anything to get that, this is another option that I have. So that's what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the next pair. This pair I didn't really enjoy as much as I would hope, because they do look a little like cat eye-ish. I will probably use these for, I will probably use these for like a costume or something. Let me go ahead and take this one out. They do have a little bit of like brown, like a hazel in the center, and then it has a darker outer portion. So this is what the lens look like. I feel like I look like a cat in a sense. Yeah. It reminds me of a cat. I do like them. I think they're super cute, but hold on. Okay, there we go. They're really, really comfortable. I really like the look of them. Oops, there's an ant on my camera. Yeah, I like the look of them, but these are just not, they're pretty obvious that they're contact lens, so I would probably use this for like filming purposes, or if I want to take like a photo here and there and just kind of spice it up a little bit, I would probably use these. But other than that, I do like them. They remind me of a cat, so I will wear these for Halloween. All of my lenses are good for 1 year, so after a year I do have to replace them. And I do like that because usually with prescription lenses you have to replace them pretty often, like a lot more often than you think you would. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this one out, and then I'm going to put in my most natural looking pair. These are my favorite, but they're just not the most comfortable, being that they, I don't know, they were in a different packaging, which I will have a picture of. These are also circle lenses, and they look a lot more natural than the black does. Hold on. So these make my eye look the tiniest bit lighter. They are still a circle lens. I don't know if you can really tell that big of a difference between this eye and this eye. I mean, obviously they look a little bit different, and it's just a brown circle lens. Now I have them in, you can see that they look a little bit natural. They're just not comfortable, which is why my eye is like starting to water. These are brown lenses. They did come in more of a traditional kind of contact lens packaging that you would get if you ordered it from the doctors or something. These didn't come in the little jar, but they do look pretty natural. Like my eyes look like a lighter brown, which I love the color. Like, I really like the color of it. If the footage doesn't look as yellow as it usually does, it's because I don't have my lights in the back and I really just do not feel like getting them. So I put in the original ones that I was wearing. These are way more comfortable. I really like them a lot. I've been wearing these just like on a daily basis. I think it makes me look a little bit more like young and innocent, and it's just like a really nice look. I just feel like my eyes are a little bit too small. I did used to wear them in the past, like I mentioned, but they did expire, and Pinky Paradise did send me all of my contacts. I didn't have to make a video on them or anything, but I really wanted to, because I'm always curious as to like what are the best kind of natural looking lashes for like Asian eyes, or for someone that wants to wear contacts and make your eyes look a little bit bigger but you don't want it to be like too obvious. So this is what I went with, and I really like them. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe down below if you aren't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.